Our chief guest.
Am I audible to everybody?
Yes, sir. You can proceed, sir. Please,
Uh,
sir. Yes, sir.
so well set out objective, and it is very appropriate to address all these critical points in the connected with the marine or marine ecosystem. The brochure says next gen automated ships, marine electrical and control system, marine electronics and navigation system, and other application in maritime industry, which is a very, very vast subject. And then I understand that within objective or theme, the many kind of events has been organized throughout the day. We appreciate the initiative taken by the management and organizing committee, most appropriate, like Professor Sasilata said, this virtual event has become a blessing in disguise in the sense that people pan India they are able to participate. The same event you want to organize and making all the people to move physically come to a hotel or seminar room, it's very difficult. Lot of logistics and things are involved. That way, you are reach out. I wish the next level event should go the international level because a lot of the community, marine and all electrical electronics, a global village, it has become shrunk in the reach of this thing. It's an opportunity for promoting AMET also in the international forum because the technology and advancement is happening simultaneously all over the world. So let us look at a few key things which I will insight some of the points relevant to marine industry. So how I am connected from Ashoka Land in this thing, I take it as mobility as the theme. So it is automobile or you have aircraft or something. Even SAE has started air and this thing. It is matter of time. The marine and mobility also will be included in the Society of Automotive Engineers. I think there is a synergy in terms of the mobility. A lot of things are common. So if look at the marine ecosystem, broadly you can divide into three levels. One is that commercial shipping, and the second one is that naval, all the things like defense and things like that. Other one is ocean marine space management. So entire thing, 70% of the thing is surrounded by the water, and it is a very very important resource for the human community. How that can be gainfully utilized. So in all these areas, lot of disruptive things are happening simultaneously at a rapid pace. Within last 10 years, within a decade, it is a decade of challenges. We had a challenge. Human race has not seen 2 years of worldwide lockdown. That is a big challenge that has opened up a lot of innovative ideas and things like that. Human has this one ability to survive any kind of challenges. The pandemic is one kind of thing which all our generation, at least the three generations are facing it. This thing, right? So some of the things, what is long-term challenges and opportunities, like Dr. Madam said, every challenge, every problem is that don't be a part of the problem, face the challenge and create that as a opportunity for you. What best we can do, right? So some of the points which relevant to this one is something key things are whoever want to note down, you can note down also, and you can do your own research. And robotics, sensors, big data and analytics, propulsion and powertrain engineering, advanced materials, smart ships, and what you call as automated ships, and autonomous system, advanced manufacturing, sustainable energy generation, very, very relevant of the day because carbon neutral technologies has to be explored. Shipbuilding, with all these challenges, the shipbuilding or ship architecture is going metabolic change. Uh, carbon capture and
Sir,
Amod,
sorry to interrupt you.
Amod Thake, I think you have to mute.
Yes.
Lot of crosstalk is happening. Please. Shipbuilding is one of the area. Carbon capture and storage, energy management, and not least other few things is that the cyber, this one, and electronic warfare is more relevant for the naval architecture, marine biotechnology, human computer interface. This computer is also treated as a human being with a neural technology and things like that. And deep ocean mining, that is another area which is throwing a lot of opportunities. And human augmentation, the reskilling and unlearning a lot of things, what you have done. That is more important. Of course, not least, the last and not least, is the communication. Now, the communication is revolutionizing the whole ecosystem. With this, I would like to draw your attention and few of this thing, what is most relevant for this one. So first thing I will talk a little bit about, introduce some concepts. What is a automated shipping, autonomous shipping, or smart shipping. So you have a smartphone, you have smart TV, like that. No, you have IoT, IIoT, and many things, and smart ship. So it is the next big thing. Lot of activities going on. What is a smart shipping? So there will be no crew inside the ship. So crewless operation. So today the operation cost is 50%. I understand is for the managing the crew, right? Command will be from the shore. There will be a command station and operating center in the shore, and there will be a shore master or engineers, and they will be the captains of the ship. They will be sitting in the shore at the control tower. They will be monitoring. They will do the control the navigation and also the performance of the ship. And what is that? How they will do? They will be using detectors, sensors, high resolution cameras, night vision cameras, advanced satellite communication, and systems. So Rolls-Royce has taken a big lead. Rolls-Royce company, they have done collectively work with universities, shipbuilders, and the designers, and the equipment manufacturer, and the classification. So, what can be a smart ship? What are all the issues? What are all the opportunities? How the related system have to get equipped? So, what are the key advantages? Lower operating cost. Cost is a big pressure. This one, and higher revenue. So you are not having the crew and things like that, managing and the place for stay and their system for entertainment, food, and so many things will vacate the space for the cargo. So that means that it will earn lot of revenue and lower voyage expense. Total life cycle from the loading, unloading to destination and then return, that voyage expense is going to get reduced. So there are also connected issues. Today, regulatory system, it says that depending on the class of the ship, so many number of crew has to be available. Now we are talking about crewless system. That means that rules have to be appropriately rewritten. Then later, lot of man-to-man communication, ship-to-ship communication. When it is unmanned, the whole command and this thing, this for some time transition time, maybe 2025, remotely operated autonomous vehicles are going to be sailing in the international waters. In by 2030, Rolls-Royce company hopes that so many ships, number of percentage of ships will be autonomous. So till such time, maybe another 10 years, there will be these ships will be coexisting. One of the surveys says that this autonomous vehicle and remote control, this thing, to reduce the incidence of accidents and things like that. Colliding thing will be greatly reduced, or collide and avoidance can be done. Even in case of oil spill or something like that, ships can be easily diverted. Even Last time we say that no, the Panama and this canal, a ship got this thing, whole thing, no, entire world container and shipping got this one. Those kind of things can be easily managed. So there are other areas. Uh, you are the best people to explore and this thing. I'm just giving. So shipbuilding, it is going to be design freedom, efficient customization, waste reduction, managing virtual inventory will drive the development of future shipbuilding technologies. Propulsion for powering, so future engines, alternative fuels, propulsion energy saving devices, renewable source of energy, hybrid power generation, emission abatement technology. So emission is this thing from steamships. We have gone to diesel ships. Today we are talking about hybrid ships, and already I understand that there is a fuel cell, zero emission ships. Already one ship is going global around. This is a very interesting area. So notably vessels are climbing today technology at least 20%. 2050, they have signed carbon neutral. So it is also applicable for the shipping industry. Of course, a smart shipping industry. 10% of the new building, already people are going to stop building conventional ships. They are going to move to the smart ships. So big data analytics, data storage, data management, data analysis. Now that data is not well organized. So all the data, archival data can be stored in a shore, and the live data can, you see the cloud computing, and then online management can be effectively done. So that's a big opportunity for electronics and data scientists. It's a big thing which is opening, throwing this thing. Then there is a multifunctional advanced material, including self-cleaning, self-repairing material, which will be like, you can call it as a self-cleaning, that smart material. It has got a very big benefit because you are going to have a smart chip, unmanned this thing, that how the thing repair, maintenance and things like that. Material is another area. Of course, robotics, very dear. Uh, Cognition, versatility, imitation, sense adaptability, all that. These mini robots will be having this one. Then, when in case of a fire or in case of the critical mission critical thing, robots will be doing the work. This is another area. The sensors and camera and the communication, these are all sensors will be monitoring the 24 by 7. Key data will be transmitted to the control, and it is signal will be given continuously, even through the satellite communication. So integration of the 5G, Wi-Fi and the new generation satellites will be making the how you are shore to ship to ship to monitoring, ship to repair service agency, even the certifying agency, safety critical this one. And no, you will have high definition, 3D video and RFID, all that are going to integrate. And the exciting proposition, it is going to have a metaphoresis, the way we are communicating, the way we are going to talk about shipping, and this is a big thing for the community. I understand a lot of new engineers are being part of it. Then this is showing up. In my view, it is also redefining the academic courses and syllabus, and then how you are going to build the projects, how you are going to have mechanical, marine, and communication, ICT, electrical, electronic engineer. All these people have to work in a same project, and they come out with a very excellent solution. Like, as I told you, there is a interesting document. To give the reference, it is available in public domain. There is a report published by Lloyd Register. You know that they are the best people in the shipping industry certification system. They have the proactive role in the shipping certification. Then Southampton University and Quintia, it is a independent technology organization. They have published a report. It is about 100-page report, Global Marine technology trends in 2030. They started the work in 2050, 6 years back. They published the report. They are given the foreseeing what is going to be in 2030. It's a very interesting document. I wish that it is circulated among the uh, participants and the faculty members to get the insight, because in my view, all these things, whatever you are this one, the engineers of the day, faculties of the day are going to be the future ready. So what all these things have been in paper, concepts and patterns are going to be seen the reality. So that way, how even days are not far off. Your mobile phone is going to control a lot of things in the ships which is outside. These are all the pilot project this institution can go, and simulation tools and technology. You can do a lot of simulation projects within the university, within the resources, and then you can develop appropriate curriculum, and the say it can be something like 60% of the theory, 20% of the practical, and 20% for the future technology. With this a few words, I draw your attention. I am not a marine industry expert, but I think the same thing metaphors is happening in automotive technology, but the which is very popular. Lot of things are spoken about. Marine is a specialized area, so I think that it is for the specialized people. But the key thing is that how you they redefine yourself. Lot of unlearning has to go. 50 years where marine industry has done, another 50 years is going to do like that. This is getting challenge. Lot of disturbance is open. With this a few words, I thank the management of the university, the organizing committee, and Dr. Sasilata Madam. Uh, I don't know what triggered her to invite me with so many wizards in the industry. I enjoyed being with this. I really thankful, and I wish all the success for the seminar as well as the follow-up action. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Your words of appreciation as well as your motivation definitely will be giving clear insights to all our students.